he really needs like structure. He's very bored. Like I need to, and you know, I'm not a teacher. I don't know what to do. So I started looking online for online Montessori virtual programs, but I didn't, a lot of them were like pre-recorded, and I was like, I'm not going to do that. Like I need to have accountability, like a live lessons that I'm accountable for showing up, and like, you know, somebody's waiting on me. That's, you know, knowing my faults, knowing what. So that's, you guys were pretty much, I think there might have been another program, but I preferred your website. It was easier to navigate. And so I just feel like kind of like picking out a wine, right? Like if the bottle is pretty and the label's pretty, they put all that work on the outside, then obviously what's inside doesn't matter if it's $5.99, it's probably good. Miss Renata, her voice is very commanding, and like he does things for her that he doesn't do for me even. So keeps my mind fresh and like, hey, we need to do your ABCs, or reminds me, you know, that every time we go down the steps we should be counting, or like talking about colors. It reminds me, and so then I think it helps him.